For over 3 decades, Artco Group has been the epitome of excellence in design and craftsmanship. From concept to completion, every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection. Our commitment to innovation drives us to constantly push the boundaries of design, incorporating the latest trends and advancements to create environments that are both visually stunning and highly functional. Manufactured with pride in America, our artisans use only the finest materials to create showcases that are as unique as your brand. Visit our website to discover why Artco Group is the ultimate choice and trusted partner for all your retail design needs. Artco Group, superior in design and craftsmanship.